What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'll be talking about why sales is the best profession in the world and why you should go for sales despite any other kind of business, whether it's drop shipping, whether it's trading, whether it's online content creation, whether it's any other kind of. Why should preferably you should go for sales? And as you know, everybody is selling is all around you, and you yourself is selling yourself as a personal brand. So I think this is the most lucrative skill that anyone should acquire, and for the rest of their lifetime it can pay at high amount of money. And the person who is very effectively strong at communication and influencing and persuading people, so I think he or she will be never in short of money. And yeah, that's the reason sales is the best skill in this world. So the psychology of sales typically work according to the human behavior. So what happens is you have to ask some open-ended questions that works with the human behavior, not against it. And through that you can close deals and pay out your huge commissions without letting the prospect feeling so salesy and pushy. And in the new information age era, sales is all about helping people and not letting them pushy salesman in a two-piece suit selling some product or service. So you have to let them know that you are helping them without letting them being so salesy and kind of particular salesman you heard of. And this is all how human psychology works with sales. And so let's get started with why to choose sales in your career. So the number one thing that comes into my mind is you can actually work remotely throughout any country or anywhere in the world with just your laptop and an internet connection. Whether you are starting out as an appointment setter or a high ticket closer, you just need to close deals on Zoom, and that's so easy and affordable with each person. So you will just need some dedicated time for your prospect time blocking, so that you can make some cold calls, inbound calls, or some outbound calls to generate leads and close deals for your clients. And eventually you can work remotely. And so some of the appointment setters, not some of, mostly 100% of the appointment setters are working remotely globally from the world. And these guys are making easily from $2,000 to $10,000 by just working 4 to 5 hours a day once your skill gets sharpened. So getting into sales is not a very big issue for you. You just need to just sharpen your email skills and messaging skills, and platforms you can use that you use on daily basis. That's Facebook and Instagram. So if you are good at DMing people and qualifying them for the product or the service you are selling, for the offer you are selling, so it's very easy to get started in sales. You know, don't need any kind of degree or any certification for that to start out. So that's the reason it's very approachable and affordable for each and every person sitting out there. The third one is huge commissions, huge payout in sales. If so, some people are working purely on commission basis rather than with a base pay and commission structure. So mostly this appointment setter gets the commission around 3% onwards to 8%, whereas the high ticket closer, its commission starts from onwards 10% to ongoing how much the closing rate he has. So if you are very good at closing deals and making, you want to make huge commissions, so go strictly with commission basis only. That can leverage your income producing skills. And as day by day you invest in yourself and you improve your selling skills, it can be a very absolutely fantastic payout, and the commissions structure will be much more higher than you expect. So yeah, that's the reason number third. So one thing to keep in mind is sales is all about your skills game, not the numbers game. So people all over the internet who are telling you that sales is all about the numbers game. No, it's not. The more advanced skilled you are, so it tends to make you more much amount of commissions as per as earlier you are earning. And so keep investing on your sales skills and go get a mentor and invest in your skills as much as you can so that you can make much more commissions than you were earlier making. So the last one I would say is there is a huge demand for salespeople in every aspect of business, whether it's tech sales or B2B, B2C, or any kind of sales field. So the demand will be absolutely increasing day by day exponentially. And to be very honest, this particular skill, high income skill, is going to be needed by every business profession, and whether it's coaches, whether it's consulting business, whether it's any e-com agency offer, whether it's a sales recruiting agency, they need salespeople, and the demand is absolutely increasing day by day, and the payout will be absolutely increasing day by day as per the industry KPI standards. So as I earlier told in my video, the KPI for appointment setter starts with 3%, and for the closer it starts from onwards 10%. So it's absolutely huge in demand, and so that's all about sales. And these particular reason, I think everybody should opt for sales as a very high income skill to choose from. And despite I'm not saying like any other skills are bad or something that, but sales is the best and is the base foundation for every business to start with, because everybody's selling something, whether it's a course, whether it's a online product, whether it's a personal brand, whether any kind of thing. So sales is the foundation for any business. So if you like my video, and if I'm getting to the value and providing too much of valuable content to you guys, so please like, share and comment to this video. And until then, see you, bye bye.